tonight on our weekly travel series, Day Trippers, a new way to sightsee on the Connecticut coast.
Yeah, Fox 61 Sarah Cody takes us to the Knowing Shipyard for a mystic boat adventure.
It's fresh, fast, and fun.
We're brand new this year. We've only opened up the second week of June.
Mystic Boat Adventures invites folks to tour the Connecticut coast aboard this solid foam-filled pontoon.
It's called a CraigCat. They're catamarans.
That they can drive themselves. But owner Rob Roach leads the pack.
But the majority of people always try passing me.
Okay,
And you never pass the lead boat.
Every tour begins with a lesson.
We have a tether cord, so if you fall off, the boat will stop.
Push a lever to control speed, operate this stick for steering.
Is it all kind of intuitive when you get out there?
Yeah, you know what it is? It's like after 15 minutes, you think you're a pro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's that simple.
All right.
Then let's give it a go.
And we're on our way.
At first, participants just simply get a feel for their ride.
This one area here is where we bring the people out. They have a chance to practice their steering, do some turns, maybe do a couple quick donuts before we head to the bridge.
Did he say donuts? The boats are agile and can reach speeds of 30 miles per hour.
Give it a little throttle. Put her right down.
Then the sightseeing begins. We arrive at the Mystic River Bascule Bridge just in time to see it in action. Then we approach Mystic Seaport.
Underneath the tent over here on the right, you see they're doing the reconstruction of the Mayflower II.
To view history from a new perspective.
What we have in front of us is the Charles W. Morgan, the pride and joy of the Mystic Seaport. The only boat older than this is the USS Constitution.
Wow.
See the Draken, a visiting Viking ship.
This replica is of a 1,000-year-old ship.
We head into wilder waters for the grand finale. An up-close look at Latimer Reef Light, located in a special spot.
This island here, New York. Over here is Connecticut. If you look behind us, you see the tip of Watch Hill.
Go slow or take off. This boat adventure is a great way to savor the last days of summer.
I can't tell who's got the biggest smile, either the parents or the kids. From 8 to 80, they all come back with a smile on their face.
Day tripping in Mystic, Sarah Cody, Fox 61 News.
Get out there and speed. All right, drivers must be at least 18 with a valid license, and passengers must be ages 8 and up. Kids are required to wear life vests, of course. A 3-hour Mystic Boat Adventure tour costs $135 per person. For more information, just head on over to fox61.com/daytrippers or just log on to our free Fox 61 News app. Still ahead, the eclipse.